HiyaHiya knitters! This week I will be knitting a witch hat decoration I found on Natural Suburbia. To do this I will be using HiyaHiya 10mm bamboo DPNs. These ones are 6 inches long, but we also supply them in 5 and 8 inch length. I find they're great at gripping your yarn as you work without causing too much tension. I'm using the Black Parade Superchunky yarn by Countess Ablaze. Plain yarn, but still extremely soft and thick. To begin, cast on 30 stitches across 4 needles. I however prefer only using 3 needles when knitting in the round, so it's an even 10 stitches on each needle. Now when joining knitting in the round, it's easy to twist your yarn, so my trick is to lay the needles on the table with the cast on edge lying flat on the inside. Needle with the yarn ball connected on my right, with my empty 4th needle in my right hand, and then I start knitting. The first round is all knit. I'm using the Pandali Click It to keep track of my rounds, as you hopefully know by now. I'm slightly forgetful when I knit my rounds. The next row is knit 1, knit 2 together, repeat it to the end, leaving you with 20 stitches. It is then a round of purl, followed by a round of knit 2 together, until you have 10 stitches. Rounds 5 to 11 are all knit. Round 12 is knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 4, knit 2 together, knit 1, leaving you with 8 stitches. 13 to 15 are all knit. Round 16 is knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 2, knit 2 together, knit 1, leaving you with 6 stitches. Rounds 17 and 18 are all knit. Round 19 is knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 2 together, knit 1, leaving you with 4 stitches. Round 20 is knit. Round 21 is knit 2 together and knit 2 together again. And then you want to simply sew up your ends. You want to cut your yarn. I'm using the puppy snips to do this, a little keyring scissor set that's handy to keep on you. Now sew up your end. I'm using the Darnit darning needle to do this. Weave in your ends, and then you should have a witch's hat. It is optional if you wish to stuff this with soft toy filling. I find it helps keep it upright so it sits nicely on the desk. And there you go. This was a really quick knit. It was really easy to do. Thank you Natural Suburbia for the pattern. I've found you're really handy right now for little quick knit ideas. There are links below to everything I've used in this video, a list of our stockists and some tutorials I have made on the basics of knitting. Please subscribe and hit notifications. I'll be posting videos every Friday of different projects I have completed, and occasionally we'll be doing tutorial weeks. Please let me know if there's anything you'd like to see more of, any suggestions for patterns, or any HiyaHiya products you'd like to see in use. And until next time, happy knitting!